In this video, we will discuss compliance and regulatory important and most repeated questions and answers. To study compliance and regulatory notes, click the link above and also the link will be mentioned in the description. So let's start. First question. The Medicare program is made up of several parts. Which part is affected by CMS HCC? The answer is Part C. The full form of CMS HCC is Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services Hierarchical Condition Category. We already discussed this while studying the notes. Next question. APC was found in which year? Option A 1980, option B 1965, option C 1955, option D 1988. The right answer is option D 1988. Let us move on to the next question. What does the acronym SOAP stand for? Option A Source Opinion Advice Provider, option B Scope Observation Action Plan, option C Standard Objective Activity Period, option D Subjective Objective Assessment Plan. So the right answer is option D Subjective Objective Assessment Plan. Let us move on to the next question. HITECH stands for option A Human Interface Technology, option B Healthcare Information Technology, option C High Technology, option D Health Information Technology for Economic and Clinical Health. The right answer is option D Health Information Technology for Economic and Clinical Health. Next question. How many components should be included in an effective compliance plan? Option A 9, option B 4, option C 3 and option D 7. The right answer is option D 7. Next question. Which of the following health plans does not fall under HIPAA? Option A Medicaid, option B Medicare, option C Workers' Compensation, option D Private plans. The right answer is option C Workers' Compensation. Let us move on to the next question. According to AAPC Code of Ethics, members shall use only dash and dash means in all professional dealings. Option A Private and professional, option B legal and ethical, option C efficient and inexpensive, option D legal and profitable. The right answer is option B legal and ethical. According to AAPC Code of Ethics, members shall use only legal and ethical means in all professional dealings. Let us move on to the next question. What does CMS HCC stand for? The full form of CMS HCC is the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services Hierarchical Condition Category. Next question. Which of the following is the benefit of electronic claims submission? Option A Privacy of claims, option B Security of claims, option C Timely submission of claims, option D none of the above. So the right answer is option C Timely submission of claims. Let us move on to the next question. The Medicare program is made up of several parts. Which part covers provider fees without the use of a private insurer? Option A Part B, option B Part A, option C Part C and option D Part D. The right answer is option A Part B. Remember that Medicare Part B covers provider fees without the use of private insurer. Let us move on to the next question. Which of the following statements is not true regarding Medicare Part A? Option A It helps cover home healthcare charges. Option B It helps cover skilled nursing facility charges. Option C It helps cover hospice charges. Option D It helps cover outpatient charges and medical services. So the right answer here is it helps cover outpatient charges and medical services. Please remember that Medicare Part A covers inpatient charges, which includes home healthcare, skilled nursing facility, hospice charges, etc. It does not cover outpatient charges. Outpatient charges are covered by Medicare Part B. So in this question, the right answer is option D. Let us move on to the next question. I am sharing important information regarding the CPC exam. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. What is the full form of PHI? Option A Physician Healthcare Interchange, Option B, private health insurance. Option C, protected health information. Option D, provider identified incident 2. The right answer is option C, protected health information. Next question. In what year HITECH was enacted as a part of ARRA? ARRA means American Recovery and Reinvestment Act. Option A 2007, option B 2009, option C 2010, option D 2000. The right answer is option B 2009. Let us move on to the next question. Medical necessity means what? Option A, without treatment the patient will suffer permanent disability or death. Option B, the service requires medical treatment. Option C, the condition of the patient justifies the service provided. Option D, the care provided met quality standards. So the right answer is option C, the condition of the patient justifies the service provided. This is medical necessity. Next question. Healthcare providers are responsible for developing dash and policies and procedures regarding privacy in their practices. Option A, fees. Option B, notices of privacy practices. Option C, workaround procedures. Option D, patient hotlines. So the right answer here is option B, notices of privacy practices. Next question. HIPAA stands for option A, Health Income Portability and Accountability Act. Option B, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Option C, Health Insurance Possibility and Accountability Act. Option D, Health Income Position and Accountability Act. So the right answer is option B, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996. Let us move on to the next question. If an NCD doesn't exist for a particular procedure or service performed on a Medicare patient, who determines coverage? Option A, CPT. Option B, CMS. Option C, the patient. Option D, MAC. So the right answer is option D, MAC. That is Medicare Administrative Contractor. So what does MAC do? It determines coverage if an NCD doesn't exist for a particular procedure. Let us move on to the next question. Which government agency offers compliance program guidance for physician practices? Option A, Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Option B, American Medical Association. Option C, Office of Inspector General. Option D, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. So the right answer is option C, Office of Inspector General, OIG. So that's it for today. In the next video, we'll discuss some more questions related to compliance and regulatory. So stay tuned.